The chocolate and coconut cake is a delicious dessert that combines the intense flavor of cocoa with the exotic taste of coconut. Here is the recipe to prepare this delicious dessert. Ingredients: 200 grams of 00 flour, 40 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, 200 grams of sugar, 100 grams of desiccated coconut, 80 milliliters of vegetable oil, 250 milliliters of milk, a sachet of baking powder, 3 eggs, a pinch of salt, icing sugar for dusting, optional. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, sift the flour with the cocoa powder and the baking powder. In another bowl, beat the eggs with the sugar until you get a frothy and clear mixture. Add the vegetable oil to the egg and sugar mixture, continuing to stir. Incorporate the mix of flour, cocoa, and baking powder into the wet mixture, alternating it with the milk. Add a pinch of salt. Add the desiccated coconut and mix well until you get a homogeneous batter. Pour the batter into a previously buttered and floured cake pan or lined with parchment paper. Bake for about 35-40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Remove the cake from the oven and allow it to cool completely before unmolding. If desired, before serving, you can dust the surface of the cake with icing sugar. Remember to subscribe to the channel to stay updated and visit our website for more delicious recipes. The combination of cocoa and coconut is very much appreciated for the contrast between the intense and slightly bitter taste of cocoa and the exotic sweetness of coconut. This cake is perfect for a special snack or a dessert after dinner.